Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's SecondSplash review video, I'd like to share with you 5 reasons why I joined SecondSplash and also why I recommend that you join it too, because it's totally free to join. And the first reason, I'll go through these one at a time. There will be a link in the description where you can join our team. And the first reason is the free viral passive traffic component of this program, because we all need more traffic. And if we can get viral passive traffic, automated traffic, then that's even better. So I'm live here in my SecondSplash account, and the component of the traffic are splash pages, which are very easy to create. Just go on here, add a new splash campaign, and you'll see here that I've got 3 campaigns running. I've got this one here has got 20 clicks on it. This one here is 21, and this one here has got 6 clicks. And you can quadruple your traffic with these splash pages. So first of all, to create a new splash page, when you've signed up and you log into back office, all you do is go on to add a new splash campaign, and they've got a really good simple video tutorial here. Click on tutorial, and then this video here goes through step by step, so it's very beginner friendly as well on how to create a splash page. So really simple, really easy to use, and all you do then is start promoting and use a splash page. You can either use it to promote SecondSplash, so I'm using this one to promote SecondSplash, or you can use it to promote some other offers that you're promoting as well. And if I just go onto here and just show you how your traffic goes viral, if you go onto here and I click on the bear with me, I'll just close that. If I just click on it, I think if I just click on, where is it? There's a URL in here somewhere if I find it. Splash page URL, that's it. So if I just click on there and go into here and then just show you what it looks like and what your prospects will see, then when you start promoting and referring members, then your splash page will be on one side. So 50% of the time, your splash page gets promoted side by side alongside not just your referrals, but also your referrals and into infinity. So it can really take on a viral passive aspect. And then here, your referral link for your referral to join Traffic Splash, and you get more referrals and more passive traffic and potentially income is here as well within these tabs. So that's just a brief overview of how that works. So let me just show you when we go into how all this works, and you go into referral system, and this explains everything in more detail than what I'm going to be explaining it today in this video. But all you do is when you go into your back office, go into how all this works, go into referral system, and then this here will explain in more detail exactly how the viral passive traffic aspect works within SecondSplash. So let's have a look now. Another reason why I joined, and that's where you can also, when you start to get referrals and when you start to build a team of members, if you click here onto view and message, another reason here is you can actually send a message to all your referrals, so you can promote other offers. Some of these are buyers, so you're going to get a percentage of buyers. Very simple to do. Just click on message downline, click on there, and then what happens, you go into your little inbox here, and there's also a detailed little sort of step by step how to do that. So everything again is really beginner friendly, so you can message and promote other offers, and in effect you're building a buyers list with the with this program. because some of yours are going to be buyers, like I've got some buyers as well. And what I forgot to mention there that's really important is you can also, if you see on the top right hand corner here, it says export contacts, then you can export your leads, their email addresses and their names, and you can download those and you can put them into an autoresponder. So these leads are your own. They're not just the ones that are in the SecondSplash back office. So another reason is the multiple income streams you can earn with SecondSplash. So you'll see here there's a commission for $10. This is a monthly recurring commission. Now, even free members earn 25% commission, monthly recurring commission from this particular income stream. There are more income streams, but I'll just focus on this one for a couple of minutes. And what you do is with the commissioned, click here to view, and you'll see I've referred one paying member on the 11th of November. So that today should renew again if they're still happy. Another $10. 3rd of December was another one. So in total, they're over $20 in recurring commission. And if we go back onto the home page, so I'm in profit there with that, because it says here Pro Member Platinum. I'm in profit because I received a free upgrade because the sister product, Easy Cash for Ads, I've been successfully promoting that for quite some time now. And so the co-owners of SecondSplash that own Easy Cash for Ads gave me a free upgrade because I've been a long-term Easy Cash for Ads member. But even as a free member, you can earn, go into here and show you how your commissions work. If we go into Commission Explained, you'll see here, as a free member, you get 25% commission. As a pro member, you get 50% commission. And you can see that 2 of my referrals have already upgraded, so you're going to get a percentage of your free members that are going to upgrade. Let's go on now to another reason, which is the bonus income. And this is not only a referral bonus income, it's also another passive income stream. So the bonus income is Easy Cash for Ads. So I'm going to click on there, and then this is all explained in all the, you can go into here if you want to go into how all this works and click on bonus income. But if you join Easy Cash for Ads, it's a one-time payment. You join Easy Cash for Ads here through this link. Then you just put your username in there. And if any of your referrals join Easy Cash for Ads through your SecondSplash account, through being a referral with SecondSplash, you can earn, I'll just show you this now, you can earn both instant commissions and you can earn passive income. So I'll just show you this here. I've been a member of Easy Cash for Ads since last year. And if I scroll down here, you'll see that for 18 months, I've earned $720 in profit with Easy Cash for Ads. So you'll see that for 18 months in a row, I've been paid commissions with Easy Cash for Ads. Now, Easy Cash for Ads is also 100% autopilot buyers traffic. There's no monthly membership cost with Easy Cash for Ads. It's a one-time payment of $19. You'll see on my other videos here $720 in profit on my channel if you want to go and have a look at those. But Easy Cash for Ads is a great bonus income that they're giving you within the SecondSplash funnel. So that's another reason why I joined. And another reason that I joined is the free tools. I joined this particular team for the free tools and the free training that we give you as well. So if you join our team, there'll be a link in the description where you can join our team, and we give you a free lead capture page exactly the same as this. So it's completely done for you. Just copy and paste and a few clicks. We use the Leads Leap tools to create these resources, and we also give you a done for you funnel with another additional income stream you'll get exactly the same as this, and you can join Leads Leap for free and earn another monthly recurring income stream with this free done for you funnel here. So we've got all the share codes here we give you. It's just copy and paste and a few clicks. The video tutorials are all here for you to get set up step by step. We're here to help and support and train you with all these free resources and tools. So there'll be a link in the description if you join our team, and you're going to get this free done for you funnel that you can promote, and it'll not only help you earn all the income streams that I've gone through here within this one. There's also a Leads Leap income stream as well. Even as a free member of Leads Leap, you can still promote, put your affiliate link in here and earn additional income stream on top of what I've shown you today with SecondSplash. So we put everything together, and we're here to help you maximize your traffic that you when you do some promoting with SecondSplash. I've also created a blog post. I'll put a link in the description if you like to read blogs. There's a lot more information in here on a blog post that I just recently done. So this explains things in some more detail here. So I'll put a link. I'll probably pin the this blog post to the top comment below this video if you want to read this blog post as well. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. So I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. I'm currently doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 850 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about SecondSplash or Easy Cash for ads, or the funnel, the tools, the resources, anything at all to do with this video that you're unsure of, or any questions, then please leave those in the comments below. And I'm also going to put my email address in the description if you want to contact me via email. So there'll be a link in the description where you can join SecondSplash for free. So I recommend you at least join as a free member, get some free viral passive traffic, and then you can also earn some monthly recurring income streams even as a free member. So it's well worth your while to get the traffic and the income while everything's free. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.